Pushing the envelope further, perhaps it is time for us to revisit nuclear energy production. After all, we are already using nuclear energy in the fields of medicine, in agriculture, water filtration, and the upcycling of plastic. We are confident in its capacity to reinforce our energy security and to bring down the cost of electricity in our country. Titiyakin natin ito ay ligtas. Titiyakin din natin may papaliwanag na mabuti sa publiko ang magandang dulot sa atin ng enerhiyang nuklear.